Dude, your exes have constantly interfered, which is why I've always told you कि यार this you have to take them out of your whatever.
I didn't do anything. You know that.
Yeah, but is he interfering in a way where he's messaging you, he's commenting something sarcastic on any of the reels? No, he's there as a silent observer. No, so what's the issue?
Hi, I am Dhrutesh.
I'm Janvi. So why are we here?
Is there something you didn't tell me?
You should answer that.
I don't think so.
Does the age gap give one of you more control?
So I'm 25 now.
And I'm 21.
There are so many places जहाँ मैं बोलती हूँ ना कि अरे मैंने दुनिया ज़्यादा देखी है तुझसे।
हाँ, no, there is this one dialogue. चार दिवाली ज़्यादा देखी है that you use always.
हाँ, मतलब देखिए यार, there are so many times जहाँ movies बोलो या even लड़कियों का होता है कुछ कभी no, she's just a friend and I'm like अरे नहीं bro, I've dated more, I've been in more relationships, तो correct ही है ना.
But you know मेरे को वो ऐसे छूटता है when you say that. दुनिया बोले उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But when you say that अरे मैंने चार दिवाली ज़्यादा देखी है, you know it hurts. ऐसा micro pain देता है for that moment. But then it's okay.
Dude, I graduated तब भी तू पता नहीं कहाँ कॉलेज में था.
मैं तो
PAP
first year junior college.
That's what I'm saying, no? There is a little bit of advantage, more knowledge, more experience in every aspect.
नहीं, more knowledge I think यार knowledge तो कहीं से भी
अरे I'm talking like day to day में लड़कियों के बारे में, लड़कों के बारे में, everything. I've watched more You do so many movies. You feel अरे हमारे तूने ये movie देखी है भाई? All those movies were our childhood films. You've come like you are only 2 years younger to my younger sister. Look at how I treat her. Like she's a baby for me. So somewhere that little bit of older sister control of over things comes into play. So yeah, but I think it's the right person who's got the control.
What's one thing you wish your partner shared more openly?
When we first started going out, we had that, I remember very clearly that we had this call where I told you everything about my exes, kisko date kiya, kitna time date kiya, what happened, how we broke up. You, on the other hand, have given me, oh, I dated, but it was nothing. Oh, I've gone out, I've done nothing. Every time I ask you, कि अच्छा, have you been in love before? नहीं. मुझे पता है वो झूठ है, बट when I'm asking you something, मुझे जानना है ना डिटेल में कि bro why, what is the thought process or what exactly happened, कहाँ गए थे तुम, कैसे हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ. It's not just कि अरे वो ऐसा रिलेशनशिप था, अरे टूट गया, अरे वो ऐसी थी. ये नहीं जानना मेरे को. I want to know the story. I don't want you to tell me bad things about her. I'm not a hero in my ex's story also, right? But you still know both sides. You know the story overall, right?
Yeah.
So यार तुम्हारे दोस्त randomly कुछ बोल देते हैं, then you and I were both like अरे now you are thinking how to manage this after your friends leave. I'm thinking how do I not know about this? Well, all along you've been playing pretend.
Okay, so I have written anger emotions. So whenever she gets mad, you don't get it. मतलब समझ ही नहीं आता है कि वो गुस्सा हो गई है. And then again, you don't know why she is mad. You have to keep finding out why she is mad. तो अगर I want her to tell me कि ध्रुतेश मैं गुस्सा हूँ and this is the reason. So I am a person who wants to solve things at that moment itself. तो that is there which I want. अगर तू गुस्सा है तो you tell me कि I don't want to talk to you. This has happened. इसके वजह से मैं गुस्सा हूँ या मैं upset हूँ. That's it. It comes from the standpoint where one तो typical behavior where I want you. Why should I tell you why I'm pissed? But also because that's who I am. I don't emote properly. Between the two of us, you've always been the one whose emotions are very out there. You'll cry if you want to. You'll laugh if you want to. I'm very secretive like that. That's just how it is. But of course, I get it. And that's something I've been trying to also now slowly work on.
Who's more likely to stay in touch with an ex?
So yeah, you are still in touch with your exes.
Not exes, huh? One person.
Yeah, one person,
Makes a
whatever.
difference.
Yeah, and I am not in touch with any of my exes.
That's not on me, no, but
Yeah, but you should not be in touch, you know.
See,
But
when-
just why?
it's not like I'm best friends with my exes, no. There's a one ex जो बहुत peaceful breakup हुआ है and he means no harm to what I have going right now.
मेरा पॉइंट इज वाई. अगर तू साल में तेरे को एक दो बार ही आना है तो मत आना. उससे अच्छा क्या ही इम्पैक्ट होगा. अब एक दो बार आने से क्या ही इम्पैक्ट हो जाएगा.
उसको क्यों ही हटाऊं मैं, मतलब
तो क्यों नहीं हटाना. वो हट तो गया है ना लाइफ से. सो क्यों नहीं हटाना इज व्हाट माय पॉइंट इज.
see when you've not dated for that long. Your longest relationship before me was what, 6 months? Mine was for 3 years. There was a certain level of friendship also that came into play before and after. हमारा ब्रेकअप इसलिए नहीं हुआ कि यार चीट कर दिया, ये हो गया वो गया. इट वॉज अ जेन्यून म्यूचुअल डिसीजन कि दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग आउट. So I was never angry at him. He was never angry at me. तो नहीं फर्क पड़ता. It's not like I'm thinking about him constantly or I have any intention of going back to him. But वो है तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
बट उसका रह के लाइफ में कोई मतलब ही नहीं है ना. वॉट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज इवन इफ ही इज इन योर लाइफ. उसने तेरे को साल में एक बार हैप्पी बर्थडे बोल दिया. अगर वो नहीं भी बोलेगा इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू इम्पैक्ट योर लाइफ.
Dude,
सो व्हाई डू
your-
यू नीड दैट.
Your exes and y'all have broken up like some, reality show. Y'all have had fights. Everybody knows. All your friends know it was a toxic relationship. That was not the case with me and at least that particular ex that we're talking about here. There is no point where I feel कि कोई भी
हाँ तो वो
threat है.
इफ ही इज डेटिंग तो उसको बोलना खुद की गर्लफ्रेंड को हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलने. व्हाई इज ही विशिंग यू इज व्हाट माय पॉइंट इज. तूने बोला ठीक है चल. नो कैसे भी ठीक है. कैसे भी तुम्हारा ब्रेकअप हुआ. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट इट. बट द थिंग इज दैट अभी हो चुका है तो क्यों इंटरफेयर करना है ना एक दूसरे की लाइफ में.
Friendship, respect, little bit. I get if he was an ex who's constantly like messaging. Then तो I don't think you would have even had to tell me कि इसको हटा दो. That's something I would have done just out of respect for you and our relationship. In fact, I don't like flaunting my relationship to everyone, even if it's to an ex. I know some of my exes might even be stalking you or stalking me. तो अच्छा लगता है उल्टा दिखाने को कि see, I've really upgraded in life. तो in fact, you should be okay with it.
हाँ बट वो तो वैसे भी देख सकता है ना.
I don't feel like
No, I don't agree with you being in touch with anyone.
dude, your exes have constantly interfered, which is why I've always told you कि यार this you have to take them out of your whatever.
I didn't do anything. You know that.
Yeah, but as he is he interfering in a way where he's messaging you, he's commenting something sarcastic on any of the reels? No. He's there as a silent observer, no? So what's the issue? It's not a threat at all. It's not coming from the intention to spoil what we have, ना. तो अलग हो गई ना दो चीज़ें. आपके एक्सेस को बात नहीं करने बोल रहे क्योंकि वो है थोड़ी सी आग लगाने वाली. यहाँ नहीं है. And there's only one person, right? बाकी तो नहीं है कोई ऐसा. It's not like I'm friends with all of my exes. It's not like I'm going out alone with him, chilling with him.
So the best solution is that I don't stay in touch, you don't stay in touch. That's it. Eye for an eye. Khatam.
Do you think your partner is 100% ready to be married?
So the live-in phase, it was just I think a trial of how our marriage is going to be, and it's very perfect. So I do think that अगर compatibility and relationship वगैरह की बात करें, yes, both of us are ready. But I do think that we should give it some time, I guess 2 to 3 years, so that both of us are financially very stable and independent, because majority of my business is still growing. There is no stability in that. तो वो एक एस्पेक्ट है दैट आई फील. बट या रेडीनेस तो है. अब वो कब करना है दैट इज अ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन.
I don't think you should be this ready at 21.
व्हाई?
Because you think you're all grown up, you think you know what you want, and that might be true, but you still have to give yourself some buffer time to just.
So I just said
But that is from the
2 to 3 years. That's
perspective
it.
of, oh, my business is not stable. But for all you know, you could not be stable even in this area. Because I remember when I was 21, I didn't want to be married, even though I was in a committed relationship. I knew for sure that few more years. I feel like 27, 28, at least for me, is the right age to be married. And until then, I think you will also, I've always told you, if you feel the need to explore more, whatever that means to you, you should. This is your time. If you're going to be legally binded with someone so quickly, I don't think it's.
But what if I know that this is the person? From my past experiences, I know what's gonna work for me. So if I know that this is the person, why should I waste more time and efforts and money exploring other options? When I know that this is the person I would want to settle with.
But then again, I feel like a lot of things change over the years. I remember how I used to think, I'm just speaking from my own personal experience. It's not like I was not happy in my previous relationship. It wasn't that कुछ मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि कुछ issue था इसीलिए मुझे लग रहा है कि यार नहीं चलेगा. But there was that little bit of understanding that when I'm 25, 26, the way I think, the way I feel about a person and my personal goals about things will also change. तो उस perspective से तुम इतने जल्दी अगर चीज़ें इतने बड़े marriage is not something, at least I don't plan on doing it 2-3 times. I don't think you also want to. So at least when you're
No, I won't do,
27,
but with you.
but that you should be when you're 27, 28, चलो in some way you're कि अभी तो बस यही है वैसा वाला हो जाता है. पर अभी तो यार तुम जस्ट करियर स्टार्ट हो, तुम्हें कैसे पता इतना श्योर कि यही है बंदी, इसी के साथ करना है सब कुछ.
The 1.5 साल कर लिया ना, so
Before me, you've only dated for 6 months. This is your longest relationship. I think
this is the one. That's what I'm saying.
you're a baby, so like you should grow up. No, I think I need more time. It has got very little to do with you or how we are. I think my brain requires more stability, everything. I think not now.
No, I am ready.
Okay.
Who'd be the better parent if you had kids tomorrow?
Yeah, he's ready to get married. I'm pretty sure he's ready to have kids also. And you to act like you're the father of a cats also. You treat them like that only.
So you are?
No. No way, shape or form do I have the ability to raise a child. It's a big deal.
But I think that we have 2 dogs, 3 cats. So we have, been the parental figures for them. तो मेरे को लगता है we can manage ना.
You can't base it off raising a pet and raising a kid are two very different scenarios.
So are Theo, Snowy and Stormy different than our kids? Is there going to be a differentiation? No, right?
No, not about how you feel about the kid. You love them just as much, but raising a kid is a very big responsibility and it's years of, it's lifetime. How can you be ready at 21?
No, I think
I'm not ready at 25. How are you ready at 21? No.
yeah. So that's the reason. That's the reason I have written this.
I'm not
I wrote
have
your name
zero
and I
faith.
think I think you are. You take care of every single thing from the smallest thing to the very large things. You take care of everything and you are going to be a mom who is not going to ignore your children and their time, and you would be taking care of every single thing. I know, whether it is schooling, whether it is food, whether it is their personal life, whether it is something they want to share just with you. You are going to be the cool mom. I know about it.
For starters, I'm not somebody who wants kids to begin with. It's a very dicey situation, which is exactly why I told you that I'm also not ready to get married, because you can't have these discussions post-marriage. It has to be a pre-marriage discussion, because if we are on 2 different pages, this will not work out in the long run. आप अभी बोल दोगे कि I'm okay with you not having kids because you want to you want to please me. So you will say कि नहीं चलेगा, which you do also. But I know somewhere you are that kind who wants a happy family. हम 2 हमारे 2 या हम 2 हमारा 1 जो भी. You are that kind. And मेरे को नहीं चाहिए कि 10 साल बाद ऐसा कुछ बोल के फटा हो तुम बोलो अरे I तो always wanted kids. That can't be the case at all. And so it's so much pressure to now not only ठीक है यार, अगर बच्चा हो जाता है तो then तो you are bound to take care of it, no? But do I want to? Am I ready for it? No. I'm not ready to take care of both of us. I'm still learning how to be in this situation where you have to compromise and you have to adjust in a lot of places because you know I'm set in my ways. Now, this kid, it's not something that I was ever open to, and now that you've given it to me in a platter, now it's even more pressure to be that perfect mom or cool mom. बनना ही नहीं है, अभी तो नहीं.
Do you fear that this will end like your past relationships?
Nothing from what I know of you or this relationship is the reason why I'm saying yes. But there is a fear. I mean, I can't deny it. I can't say ki, oh, I've been through so many heartbreaks, but I have this magical ability to not think that things might end up the same way. Like any other person, I have my baggage. So I think, यार वो इतना लिव इन में होके चीट कर सकता था और things didn't work out for him. What is stopping you from doing something else later on in life? Like I said, because you're only 21 and you might want things differently through the years. I don't know, maybe. Yes, there is that fear.
Okay, so I have written no, I don't have the fear. I have always been on the optimistic side. So, yeah, I don't think I should be, scared of us breaking up or something. We will make our ways. We know that. I know that. You know that. And I am always in there to, put some extra effort to resolve everything.
So if you want to keep watching more such videos, do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.
Also, do like, share, and subscribe to
Pocket Change.